And of course, we're talking about potentially record heat. Are we going to get it, Sabrina?
Yeah, it looks like the best chance of dealing with record-breaking heat will be Sunday and will be toward inland areas. If you're east of I-15, most likely, you will see record-breaking heat on Sunday. Today, though, temperatures were still above average, climbing to 82 degrees along the coastline, normally 76. So 6 degrees above the norm. Get ready, though. We are forecasting to warm up another 2 to 3 degrees tomorrow, and then jumping even further as we head on in through the end of the weekend. Right now, though, looking at the dew point, because this is also increasing. Normally in the 50s, we're comfortable. The only 50s we really see out here is out over toward Ramona, pushing all the way out over toward Borrego. The coastline, dealing with the upper 60s. That means the stickiness, it is back. When you step on outside, you're just going to be inundated with this bulk of moisture. Feels very thick outside, and coupled with the high temperatures, it's not such a great day to be on out there doing any sort of activity or outside exercise. If you have to do so, doing it earlier in the day is probably your best bet before you get to sunrise, or right around sunrise at around 6:30 to 7 a.m. Currently a warm night, 74 degrees in San Diego, Chula Vista at around 71, and 72 degrees up through Julian, while still dealing with the 80s up through Borrego. We are under this heat advisory. It's going to go into place starting off tomorrow at around 10 a.m., lingering all the way through Monday at 7 p.m., and that's going to include out over toward Fallbrook and pushing out over toward La Mesa and even into Poway. We have these two areas of high pressure. Right now we have this main one. It's in the upper levels of the atmosphere, taking temperatures all the way up through Washington, about 5 to 10 degrees above the norm. But once we head into Sunday, the second high pressure system begins to move on into place, and with that we'll begin to really notice the warmth, increasing the humidity, and maybe even a chance of some thunderstorms as we head into next work week. This is what it will feel like, though, with the humidity starting you off already at 9 a.m. feeling like 75 degrees in Carlsbad and 76 Chula Vista. By noon, feeling like 93 in Ramona already, 91 degrees out toward downtown, and into the afternoon hours if you are heading out over toward the Embarcadero. I know they have the Latin Food Fest, feeling closer to the 80-degree mark and 83 degrees up through Chula Vista. Sunday, though, still going to be the warmest day for us in the next few days. 7-day forecast, 84 degrees tomorrow, going 88 on Sunday, inland 98 degrees, 102 Sunday with some thunderstorms in the forecast on Wednesday. The mountains 92 degrees, you'll be 91 on Sunday, an isolated shower for you in the deserts looking at 107 and staying sunny. Guys, back to you.
All right, looks like it's going to be very toasty. Careful what you keep in your car.
That's true, no chocolate.
It'll melt. Totally melt. We both thought of chocolate. Great plan.